In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emoji to your text using AI with Yandex Keyboard. This helps if you want to add emoji to your text. Now, in order to do it, like, subscribe, hit on the bell icon to never miss out on my new update. Open the chat here, switch to the keyboard. Now here, click on this Yandex icon here, click on it. Now click on this magic sticker icon here, but first now add a text that you want the AI to add emojis on, like this. Now click on this Yandex icon here. Now click on this magic sticker icon. Now click on emoji or emojify here, click on it. Wait for it. As you can see, the AI have already created emoji for it, as you see it. Now in order to add this emoji, click on intersect here, intersect text, click on it, or you can try it again, like by clicking on this try again. Wait for it, and then click on intersect here for it to add into the text. Now send it. As you can see, it is done. So like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon for more AI tool and tech related guide like this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. And if you want to know more about this Yandex keyboard, check out the next video on the description, or check out the next video here. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon to never miss out on my new video. Thank you for once again, and also see you on the next video. Peace.